warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back again with me, this is Safitri. On her vacation, I will explain about narrative text. Definition of narrative text is a narrative text is a form of writing that tells a story. It can be factual or fictional and is designed to entertain, inform, or convey a deeper message through a sequence of events or experience. Functions of narrative text are: first is entertain, two education, three cultural preservation, four social commentary, 5. Empathy and connection, 6. Personal expressions, 7. Escape, and the last is identity and belonging. Narrative texts typically follow a structured format that includes the following elements. First is orientation or introduction. The purpose is set the scene by introducing the characters, settings, and initial situation with who, when, where, and what. 2 is complication, arising action. The purpose is present a problem or conflict that the characters must face. Third, climax. The purpose is the turning point of the story when the tension reaches its peak. Fourth, resolution. The purpose is shows how the problem is resolved. And the last is conclusion or ending. The purpose is wraps up the story, often providing a moral or reflection. Key elements of the narrative text are: first, characters, the individuals who take part in the story. They can be people, animals, or even inanimate objects given lifelike qualities. 2. Settings, the time and place where the story occurs. This provides context and background. Third is plot, the sequence of events that make up the story. It's driven by the conflict and the characters' actions. Fourth is conflict, the challenge of problem around which the story revolves. It can be internal within a character, or external between characters, or between a character with their environment. The fourth is theme. The underlying message or main idea of the story could be a moral, a social commentary, or a reflection on human nature. And the last is example of narrative text. The title is The Mouse and the Lion. Once upon a time, in a dense jungle, there lived a mighty lion, the king of all animals. One hot afternoon, after a hearty meal, the lion lay down under a shady tree and fell fast asleep. Nearby, a tiny mouse scurried about looking for food. As the mouse was busy foraging, it accidentally ran across the lion's nose, waking him up. The lion, with a swift motion, caught the mouse under his large paw. The mouse, trembling with fear, begged for his life.
"Please, mighty lion, spare me. If you let me go, I promise to repay your kindness one day."
The lion, amused at the thought of a tiny mouse helping him, laughed and deciding to let the mouse go. "You're free to go, little one, but how you could ever help me?" he clucked. Days later, the lion was roaming the jungle when he was caught in a hunter net. He roared in anger and struggling to break free, but no more he found. The tiger, the net became, hearing the lion's desperate roar, the most urged descent. Saying the lion trapped the most began to gnaw at the ropes with his sharp teeth, bit by bit. The most chew through the ropes until the lion was finally free. The lion, realizing the truth in the most words, was deeply grateful. "Thank you, little friend. You saved me, my life," the lion said humbly. The mouse replied,
Even a small creature can help a great king.
From that day forward, the lion and the mouse became the best of friends. The lion learned that kindness is never wasted, and the mouse proved that even the smallest beings can make a big difference.